Today we're going to fillet a northern pike and remove the Y bones. Okay, the first thing we do is we cut up the belly. Then we cut down to the backbone here and cut the fillet off. The same on the other side. And then we cut the rib bones out. And then we go for the Y bones. They are right up here. You can see them sticking up there. Make a little cut like that. Push them up toward the top. And get under the lateral line here and slice them out of there. And that's your Y bones. Cut that fin off. Take the skin off and keep a patch on there. And that's it.